Welcome to our quick video on the Jantize franchise options. We're excited to guide you through the 3 scalable opportunities available, so let's get started. First up, let's talk about the Jantize unit franchise. This option allows you to operate your own cleaning business under the Jantize brand. It's a great way to start small and grow your business over time. You will do no sales or marketing. All customers will be provided by your local area developer. You, the unit franchisee, focus on customer service and operations. Now, onto the Jantize hybrid franchise. This model combines the benefits of a unit franchise with additional support and resources. You'll become the face of the franchise within your territory. It's designed to help you scale your business more efficiently, learning sales and marketing. Plus, the hybrid offers even more opportunities for growth and expansion. Finally, let's dive into the Jantize Area Developer franchise, also known as a master franchise. This option is for empire builders who can build a sales and marketing machine. The area developer awards and manages many unit franchises within a specific territory, creating residual revenue streams. You'll be responsible for supporting and growing the unit franchise network in your territory. It's a fantastic way to take your business to the next level and make a significant impact on the lives of your local unit franchisees. The unit franchise investment starts at $5,900. The hybrid investment starts $29,000. The area developer starts at $75,000. Explore our franchise options and see what's best for you.